Alright, this is the main pipe that goes to the cesspool. It's an old house. These are built before the sewer system was installed. So we have to have it drained every few years. Here's the new. The old one was completely buried, and it wouldn't have mattered anyway because down there about 50 feet down, the old pipe was completely blocked by tree roots. She totally covered that up with those trees right there. Well, the problem with that is the sewer ran right through there. The sewer pipes. So there you go. That's about 80 feet total in pipe that we bought. Then we're going to have a service pipe. So, primero mi video, luego, and it goes all the way through there. Here's all the other pipes. And then it heads all the way out here. They dug all this out. And it goes into the this right here. Then if we get nuked as a last resort, we jump in there with all the excrement. That'd really be a shitty day, to say the least. Anyway, at least hers isn't messed up. So see all the orange trees and all that? I guess Arthur, before he moved to the new house across the alleyway there, he forgot where he had put it. So we were digging in the wrong place, trying to find the damn thing because the service port wasn't even there. Anyway, I guess that's about it. I'll have to photograph it now. Bueno, gracias, hombres.